Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to replace pin by using AI replace. So here you can click to template or you can upload your own picture. I'm just going to use template. Okay, I'm using this one. Click select and then on your left side we have pin diagram. Okay, where I can change my color of my wall. Okay, here the pin diagram I can upload my own color or I can just use for what we have here. I'm going to use the green color. Okay, and then click generate. This one will take a while depending on your internet connection. So this one is the original image and this one is the processing image that I have replaced with the new color of my wall. Okay, so after you have done with process, you will see the replace pin with new color and then you can compare with your original image. Right, so that is how you use replace pin under AI replace. That's all from me. Thank you.